In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your key fob for a Mazda MX-5 Miata. This key fob was used from 2016 to 2019, and inside you will find the CR2025 battery that we will be replacing. So, how to get in here: first turn it over, locate this little lever and push it down to release our valet key. And now in this little opening, there is a slot, a little indentation, one on each side. And if you take a regular flathead screwdriver, you can just put it in there, give a little twist to make an opening and loosen it. And we're going to do the same on the other side. It just finds its way into that little opening, and if you twist, you've loosened it now, so we can safely move down that opening, twisting to release this. And now the battery is going to be under this little piece of plastic. You can just remove it like that, slide out your battery, the 2025. Go ahead, grab a replacement, slide it in the same way, secure it with this piece of plastic protector right on top, and take your back, line up the edges, and just click it back into place. And you're all set. You can just put your key back in and you're done. However, if you didn't have a screwdriver on hand, it is pretty easy to get in here using a similar method. You can just find this little groove, and with your fingers up at the corner here, very easily make another opening. Do the same on the other side, just using your fingers. Pop that out. And now with your valet key, you can kind of use it as a tool. Put it in just like so. Hold the front part of the key with your fingers, hold the valet key, and twist. And now you've opened it up, you have access to the battery, and you replace the battery just like we saw before. Click it back in and you're good to go. You have a new battery, and you can go drive your MX-5 Miata.